it's Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing a last minute Easter treat, or you can just use these for any occasion. I made this one, I thought it'd be super cute for Easter, and these are just really quick and easy. I'm using the Scalloped tag topper punch, and I thought it would be really quick and easy for like a little classroom treat, or for just a friend, or whatever you want to use it for, but it's super cute. And you can also, the candy bar measures like 4 inches, and then you can even use a candy bar that's a little bit thicker, because this ribbon is what's holding the treat holder together. There'll be a little bit bigger gap here because, you know, the treat holder will be a little bit wider. But I really thought these bunnies were super cute to use for this little treat holder. And then this one, I used the little bird in the same stamp set, which is A Good Day, and I thought he was super cute. This stamp set is perfect for coloring with your blends, your watercolor pencils, your Stampin' Write markers. You can color it with anything, but look how cute. I love this stamp set, and you've seen me use the bunny before if you follow me. And I've used this just for you. I may have used this one too, but the images are super cute, and I just love this set. I love these little like animal images, and this little tree is adorable too. This would be a really cute springtime one, just to say hello friend. It's a little tree with a little swing and a flower under it. It's really cute. So this is the stamp set I'm using. For the bunny one, I use the Teeny Tiny Wishes, which you know is one of my favorite, and I use the Happy Easter for that one. But these are go together really quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get started with it. So what you're going to need for that, I'm using Daffodil Delight this time. And this piece measures 8.5 by 2, so you can get a bunch of these out of an 8.5 by 11. You can get about 5 out of the 8.5 by 11. And so then I'm going to use this one. I'm using from the Bubbles and Fizz, which is a free. If you place a order for during celebration, you've seen me use this designer series paper before. It is this one. You've seen me use the stars, and it's super cute. I love this paper, and this is a freebie when you spend $50 during celebration. All right, the other one, I used the flowers here, and this one is the Whole Lotta Lovely. So this has some really pretty bold images, and also some really nice, sweet, delicate images on it too. So that's the one I used for the Bermuda Bay one. And this one, like I said, is from the Bubbles and Fizz. Alright, the other one for the bunny, I used from the Delightful Daisy, which is this, and I used this piece right here. Alright, so you can use whatever scrap you have in designer series paper, because you only need a piece that is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. Alright, and then I'm using the Myths and Magic. Again, I'm using the glimmer paper. I love this glimmer paper. This time I'm going to use the white one. And so this also has been added as a freebie during celebration. So if you spend $50 or more, this is another choice you can choose. They just added this one like last week, so it's a super deal. I love this paper. All right, so we're going to use that, and then I'm also going to use another of the stitched stitched satin ribbon for this. Alright, so let's get started with this. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just punching with my Scalloped tag topper punch. You know I love this thing. I hope it sticks around. It's one of my favorite punches. We're just going to punch both ends, just like that. I'm going to bring up the trimmer, and we're just going to score it at 5 1/4. So just take your tip right here and put it on the 5 1/4 inch mark, and just score across. And then what you're going to do on this shorter side is you're going to put this at the 1 inch mark, and you're just going to score at 1 inch there. Because this is the part we're just going to flap over. See how quick and easy that is? Alright, so I'm going to get a piece of Whisper White. I'm going to stamp with Memento black ink, because if you're using the blends like I'm going to be using, you need to use the Tuxedo Black Memento ink. So we're going to use that, and I'm going to just stamp it right in the center, and then I am going to use my Stampin' blends, and I'm using the light Daffodil Delight and the dark, and I'm just going to color this in really quickly. I'm even going to color this sweet little lemon hanging off the side. This is just really quick and easy coloring. It's so cute though. I love these blends. And when you're using the blends, here's a little tip for you. Don't press hard on it, because if you do, it will bleed, and we don't want that. So what you're going to use is your 1 inch circle punch. Look how cute it is before I love this. It's so cute. You're going to punch it out with the 1 inch circle punch. Then we're going to get our glimmer paper, and we are going to punch the 1 1/4 inch circle punch. And then we're going to grab another piece of Daffodil Delight, and we're going to do the Scalloped 1 3/8 inch circle. Okay, so we have all pieces ready to go. I'm going to grab some fast fuse here, and I'm going to attach the glimmer paper with the fast fuse because it holds it a lot better. And then this one we're going to use a dimensional and pop it up. Onto the glimmer paper. These would be really cute, like if you're going to have a bunch of friends over, it'd be really cute to make these Daffodil Delight ones. Alright, we're going to adhere this to the front. You can use snail or fast fuse. I'm going to use a glue dot to hold the fold that over and hold that down. And then I'm going to grab my candy bar. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. And we're going to wrap this. Oops, I didn't need to do that first. I need to lift that back up. I need it open for tying the ribbon. Then I'll close it up after. So you're going to just take your ribbon, and we're just going to tie a bow. Make sure I have enough to tie a bow. So this is actually what's just holding it, treat holder closed. That's why I said you can use a thicker candy bar. You just will have it a little bit. Alright, where's my scissors here? My ribbon scissors. And then we're going to flip that down underneath, just like that. And you can play with your ribbon and make your bow whatever size you like, and also just fidget with it how you want. And then I'm going to use some fast fuse on the back here, I think. And we're just going to attach this right over where the slit is. And then we're ready to stamp our sentiment. And again, I'm going to use the Memento black ink. And it says, here's to a good day. This is super cute. I love this lemonade. But you can see, you can do any of these little figures and they'd be so cute, these little images. Whoop, got two pieces there. I have a bunch of Whisper White. I thought it was, but this is the thick. And I'm just going to cut it by hand. And I'm going to use some snail. And we're just going to set it right under there. And that is super cute. I love the lemonade. Look how cherry and fun that is. So here's the other two. I love, it's a good day, it's called A Good Day stamp set. Let me grab my other ones right here. Everything wants to come with it. So there's the three that I did. They're super cute and fun to do and really quick and easy for a last minute project. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little notification bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.